take a close look at this photomicrograph. I'm going to zoom in to bring the image closer. I can distinguish a bright purple circular form as a nucleus. The lighter purple region seems to be a spread out cytoplasm. What is most striking are the large number of deep purple staining structures surrounding this cell. I can clarify this event by explaining to you that the cell is a macrophage, and the rod-shaped structures are bacteria known as rods or bacilli. Observe that the macrophage has engulfed multiple groups of these rods into its cytoplasm by endocytosis. This is war. The bacilli have gone through our first line of defense, that is, our skin or mucous barriers, and the macrophages, as cells of our second line of defense, are using their power of phagocytosis to destroy this invader. To help you visualize a core concept, I want to show you a photomicrograph of a very special bacteria. This microorganism is called polytrichus. It means it has flagella surrounding the whole cell. The deep purple represent the rod-shaped body of the bacteria, and you can see all of the flagella surrounding the body. I now would want you to look at this 1 minute and 22-second YouTube video showing you a section of a YouTube spoiler showing you a small segment of the movie called The Matrix Reloaded. You will be able to visualize the concept of a war against pathogens in our body. You should have no problem identifying this diagram as a cell membrane. It pretty much demonstrates any cell membrane and its components of any cell within our body. I will now highlight in green the part that represents the extracellular fluid and the different fibers that compose the extracellular matrix. I now will highlight the part that will be the intracellular fluid and the cytoskeleton. In the diagram, this should clarify which is the external environment of this representative cell from its internal environment. Our adaptive and innate immune systems are not designed to recognize what is internal to a cell membrane or any components of the cell nucleus. Any recognition has to be conducted at the cell membrane. Integral proteins, like those that I am highlighting will be responsible for our immune system to establish recognition of what is self versus non-self. That means the capacity to recognize which specific living cells are part of your body versus any particle, cell, or pathogen that has come into the body by violating the lines of defense. The lack of this recognition for any cell or tissue in our body results in autoimmune disorders. Also, this is the main reason why we need to take anti-rejection medications in the event of an organ transplant.